Welcome to Dr. RSR Magic NCRT dissection 300 points part 5. Zinc activates carboxylase enzyme. Deficiency of nitrogen, potassium, sulfur and molybdenum causes inhibition of cell division. Sulfur is the constituent of thiamine, biotin, coenzyme A, methionine and cysteine. The beginning of diplotin stage is recognized by dissolution of synaptonymal complex. Peroxidase and catalase break down H2O2 into water and oxygen belongs to the category of prosthetic group. DA, Dalton, is the molecular weight of macromolecules. Tyrosine, phenylalanine and tryptophan are aromatic amino acids. Earth crust contains maximum percentage of O2 followed by silicon. Quasi-fluid nature of lipid enable lateral movement of protein within bilayer. This ability of movement is measured as fluidity. Mesosomes are present in the form of vesicle, tubule and lamellae, which helps in respiration, cell wall formation and DNA replication. In cockroach, excretion takes place through Malpighian tubule, fat body, nephrocytes, uricose gland. Ailery muscles are present in heart of cockroach. In cockroach, sclerites are jointed to each other by arthroidal membrane. Sclerenchymatous hypodermis is present in monocot stem. In monocot stem, peripheral vascular bundle are smaller than centrally located ones. In leaf, size of vascular bundle depend upon size of vein. Protoploem consists of narrow sheep tube and metaploem consists of bigger sheep tube. Inferior ovary is seen in guava, cucumber and ray flower of sunflower. Palmatory compound leaf are present in silk cotton. Rapsing organ for feeding present in mollusca is radula. National Botanical Research Institute situated in Lucknow. Each statement in the key is called lead. Foam, friends of Arcata Mars, are responsible for wastewater treatment. Heavy metal defined as the element with density more than 5 gram per centimeter cube such as Hg, cadmium and copper. 32% of amphibia and 31% of gymnosperm species in the world face threat of extinction. Rivet-Popper hypothesis proposed by Paul Ehrlich. Diversity of birds are maximum seen in Colombia, followed by India. Competition is best defined as the process in which fitness of one species is significantly reduced in the presence of another species. Cormorants in wetland are example of population. Alpha-1 antitrypsin is used to treat emphysema. Cry first AB control cone borer. In bacteria, rDNA is introduced with the help of calcium ion. Source of tDNA is agrobacterium. Rope codes of PBr322 helps in replication of plasmid. The normal E. coli cell don't contain resistance for any antibiotics. Majority of baculovirus used as biocontrol agent belongs to category of NPV, nucleopolyhedrovirus. Free living nitrogen fixing bacteria are Azoospermillum and Azotobacter. Bottled juice are clarified with help of pectinase and protease. Toddy is made up of fermenting sap from palm. Auxin and cytokinin hormone are used in tissue culture. Maize hybrid contains twice the amount of lysine and tryptophan amino acid. High aspartic acid, low nitrogen and sugar content in maize leads to resistance to maize stem borers. Tai Chung native first is the variety of rice. Cycads and angiosperm are evolved from seed fern progymnosperm. Presence of more than one adaptive radiation in an isolated geographical area shows convergent evolution. Histone are rich in basic amino acid lysine and arginine. Methionine and tryptophan amino acid don't follow degeneracy rule. Amino acid coded by 6 codon are lysine, arginine and serine. Polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme helps in polymerizing RNA in template-independent manner. In eukaryotes, RNA polymerase third transcribe snRNA, 5sRNA, tRNA. Presence of thymine at place of uracil confer additional stability of DNA. Next 251 to 300 points in last video. Good luck for you.